Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, you have to open your Play Store, then tap here, go to the My Apps and Games. Here you can see all of your unupdated apps, so you can just update them by tapping Update button next to them, or you can tap Update All and update them all at once, but it could take some time, so it's for you to decide how you want to update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.